This is a cheats way to make hand-pulled beer or beer served through a beer engine from beer that you can buy from your local brewery. Please support your local microbrewers, or beer that you buy in a bottle. It's particularly suited to beers like IPAs or best bitters. You don't really want to do this with a lager, because obviously a lager you want to have highly carbonated. But this is what you do. You need a blender, not a food processor but a blender, and it can either be a full-size one or a little portable one like this. You need some beer that's not ice cold but cellar temperature, which is around about 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, and you just put a small amount of beer in your blender, just enough to cover the blades. Blend it for a few seconds. Put that blended beer into a glass. And then pour your beer straight in. And what the blending does, it activates all the carbon dioxide in the little bit that you blended, and then that releases it from the beer, and you can see how that's settling out, just like you see in a pint when you get it pulled by a hand-pulled beer. So you give it 20-30 seconds to settle down, top it up, and you've got yourself a hand-pulled real ale. This is actually a real ale that I brewed myself, but that's a video for another day.